Close the door. Put your seatbelt on.
Buddy, you gotta escalate.
Put your seatbelt on.
Check this out with the speakers, man.
And the radio. Go, go, go.
Go push the gas.
Once you get the idea of how it works.
Go. Take a picture. Look at it. No, we're not going to the park.
Turn it, turn it, turn it. Okay, turn
Hey,
it.
watch where you're going.
Go straight, go straight.
Give it some gas.
Yeah, he'll figure out the con.
Towards Allen. Look where you want to go. Here. Keep going. Keep going. Take the blue man. Come on, towards Allen. Go towards Allen.
Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel.
Go. Press. Go, man.
Gas it.
Get the hang of it. It's got some torque, man.
Are you ready? Are you parking? Are you parking?
Whoa.
Oh, oh.
All right.
Oh. Close the door, close the door.
Go, Benjamin, this way.
Put plates on it, man. Hold on, wait. Let me fix the door.
It's got Hey, pull on the driver. Take it easy. Slow down the car.
Go, go, cut it.
Those wheels sound like you're just going to crack.
Do a donut, Josh. Benjamin, turn around.
Hey, you know what? You gotta fix that boombox.
Wave here, Josh. Oh boy.
Oh, that's amazing. Are you ready to get
You want
out?
to get out now? Okay. Okay, go into the driveway then.
Drive it in.
Okay, drive it into the garage. Where do you want to go?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go have dinner. Okay, go inside.
He wants out.
Go, Benjamin.
You want to drive on the road? Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Come on.
Josh.
I think we should go in now.
Go, 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 go. Just drive, drive.
Drive, Josh.
Drive forward.
Go.
Put on the gas.
It's cold.
Come on, it's cold. Put your hoods on.
Just keep going.
There, put your hat on. It's cold.
Put your hoods on. This way, Josh. Turn the wheel. Straight. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Keep going.
Go towards Alan.
Come.
Keep going.
Put foot on the gas.
He's got a look.
Gotta figure out where you're going.
Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
so
Take it easy
Benjamin,
up
park
the
the
bump
car,
right
please.
Go, Josh.
Oh, you want to be parked? Oh, you want to park it? Okay, alright. You park it in the garage.
Yeah, I'll have to walk next to you. Hey, Benjamin, can you steer him in? Go straight now.
Yeah.
Yeah, steer straight now. Keep your wheel like that.
Don't touch the wheel. No, take
Hey, it's okay. Go.
Put on the gas.
Keep your foot on the gas, Josh. Keep it on the gas.
Nice.
Drive your caddy.
Keep going.